Why does the passage discuss Marx's Das Kapital? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to Marx's Das Kapital, and the passage says that Keynes's major work is similar in influence to that of Marx's Das Kapital and Smith's The Wealth of Nations. So it can be inferred that the passage indicates Marx's Das Kapital to suggest that Keynes's major work was as influential as Das Kapital and The Wealth of Nations. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to suggest the influence of Marx on popular thinking. It can be inferred from the mention of Marx's Das Kapital that Marx's ideas were influential, but to highlight that influence is not the purpose of mentioning Das Kapital. Das Kapital is mentioned to suggest that Keynes's major work was influential. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to provide a benchmark for the impact of Keynes's work. Yes, this is what the passage implies. The passage says that Keynes's major work was as influential as Das Kapital and The Wealth of Nations. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, to indicate Keynes's justification for government action. In the context of Das Kapital, the passage does mention justification of government actions, but that is outside of the scope of comparison between Das Kapital and Keynes's major work. So it is incorrect to state that Das Kapital was mentioned in order to indicate Keynes's justification for government action. Answer choice D, popularity of the term surplus value. This term is not mentioned in the context of Das Kapital. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, to compare the popularity of Marx's and Smith's work. In the context of Das Kapital, the passage indicates Marx's and Smith's work, but it doesn't compare the two. Also, to make this comparison is not the purpose of Das Kapital. The purpose of mentioning Das Kapital is to compare Keynes's major work and its influence with Marx's major work and the influence, and Smith's major work and the influence. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. B is the correct answer.